Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is cast-in bronze Distylium from the Southern Living Plant Collection. If you're not familiar with these Distylium hybrids, they are evergreen members of the witch hazel family, and they do get little maroon frilly flowers along the stems in February and March. They're there, but they're not particularly showy. The main reason these are grown is because of this really beautiful, compact habit that the shrub has. It's a great replacement for compacta hollies or helleri hollies or any kind of low mounding shrub. This variety is going to get about 3 to 4 feet in height by about 3 to 4 feet in width. It can be maintained a little lower than that. They're hardy in zone 7 to 9, and I think actually up into at least 6B, especially if you spring plant them. They're hardy there as well. These are just fantastic plants. Cast of Bronze was picked because of its compact habit, and the new growth has a bronze color all season long, which hardens off to a kind of a blue-green color, and it keeps this perfect, really super compact habit. Loropetalum, there's some purple diamond loropetalum behind me, are also in the witch hazel family, and get a more showy, frilly, pinkish flower on that variety, but these two look absolutely fantastic together. This one's going to be a great variety if you have a higher foundation windows, because it will reach 3 to 4 feet. It could be, like I say, kept a little smaller than that, but there's one called Jewel Box that they have. If you have a lower foundation, it's probably a better choice. This one's going to be great around like a patio planting, that kind of thing. These are best in full sun, but they'll take part shade. A little looser if you went into a deeper shade. Okay. Here's a close-up of the foliage. I'm shooting this in October, so it doesn't have a lot of that bronze on it, but you can see the remnants of that where it's fading back toward this blue-green color, and you can see how compact this plant is with almost no maintenance, really. These can be pruned if you need to after they flower, maybe the 1st of April, and then anytime up to about midsummer will be fine. Do not late summer prune these or fall prune them, or they will be potentially winter damaged, because they'll try to leaf out after you prune them, and they can be fertilized at the exact same time with a slow release fertilizer in the late winter, and that's really all you need to do on these plants. Super drought tolerant, insect and disease resistant. Usually when I say drought tolerant, they're probably not going to be tolerant of wet feet, but Distylium hybrids actually will take wet feet as well. But these are just super industrial, low maintenance, evergreen shrubs that you can kind of plant and forget. So like I say, be on the lookout for this cast in bronze Distylium from the Southern Living Plant Collection.